gotta do what I gotta do. All right, Mr. Sado, anything, sir?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Okay, all right. Here's where the court's kind of, where I think all of you are kind of stuck between. There is the standard for bond, which is the preponderance of the evidence. And then there is, and that proffers are authorized by our state Supreme Court for bond. They are not offered or not authorized unless otherwise agreed to for trial, and that strict burden or strict proof is required for that particular proffer as a result to a issue of proof at trial. So we're stuck in between the two burdens in this case. We also acknowledge the fact that the defendants are presumed to be innocent, and this particular system authorizes the court to consider bond based on statute as well as case law, and I have done so in this particular case, and will continue to do so. The other challenge that our imperfect system kind of just hasn't figured out a way to kind of deal with, other than reconsidering the issue of bond and changing circumstances of bond, is acknowledged for proof that may or may not come at trial, but the state bears that burden at this point in time. And it's not a perfect system in the sense that we won't know until that time whether or not many of these statements that have been proffered by the state come to pass or come to fruition. That's no consultation or consolation for your client, Mr. Samuel and Mr. Sadow. And but unfortunately, that's the best that the system can offer at this point in time, given the status of the case law and the like. The only thing I can potentially do is, like I said, I will try the case as expeditiously as possible. But at this point in time, I don't find any change in circumstances that would allow me to, or move me from changing my decision as to bond. And if anybody's in the gallery and you can't otherwise control yourself, or otherwise you want to make any appropriate comments, then you can leave at this point in time. No harm will come, or nothing else will occur. But if you remain in this courtroom and make any outbursts, I'll have you arrested.